Known for his refined acting, incredible good looks and perfect ten body, superstar Hrithik Roshan has been spending much of his time here lately, courtesy Jodha Akbar. How has your experience been here at it?
I remember the day when Ashutosh had told me that we were shooting in Calcutta for 3 months. Honestly, I expected the worst. I was prepared for a nightmare of a schedule because it was too far away in a place I had never seen. But what unfolded was nothing short of a dream. I cannot express enough how delighted we all are that we're shooting here at ME Studios. I mean, there are some days when I'm confused whether I should go home or get my family here to live with me. It's absolutely unparalleled, it's wonderful, it's fantastic, it's mind-blowing. We all need to thank you for conceiving this place, for giving birth to this place, for giving us a second home. Mind-blowing, truly.